Look at this massive setup right here that I have. As y'all can see, today we're doing a comparison on the kit lens, which is like a pretty expensive kit lens, I would say. It's like 300 bucks if you don't get it with the camera. I think it's very expensive for a kit lens. And this kit lens against the Tamron 28 to 75, which the kit lens on here only goes up to like 70. That's the furthest that it goes. So kit lens versus the Tamron. Yeah. I'm getting a workout this morning.